Every now and then my office will get a call from a potential client who says they rear-ended somebody and were in a wreck. My first thought is there's no case there. Typically, if you rear-end somebody, you're at fault for the wreck. Every driver's got an obligation to keep a safe and assured distance from the vehicle in front of them. So if they stop for any reason, you can stop safely. Like anything else though, there can be an exception to that rule, and that would be what we describe as a brake check case, where someone for no reason whatsoever immediately and dangerously slams on the brakes, giving the vehicle behind them no time to stop or take any evasive action. They can be very difficult cases and require a lot of work to prove that the driver who slammed on the brakes had no reason to do so, and that the vehicle who struck them were not at fault. I've got a case going on right now where my client was in the middle lane of a 3-lane highway and driving along normally. There's a vehicle to her left and a vehicle to her right. The vehicle to her right speeds up, gets right in front of her, and slams on their brakes for no reason at all. I remember talking to that client thinking, there's not much we can do. You were into that vehicle and you're likely at fault. But through investigation, we determined that the vehicle on her left had a dash cam that showed the whole thing, and there's no question that the other driver, without any reason, very dangerously and aggressively slammed on their brakes. So that was a case we were able to get a good settlement on based on the evidence we developed. So just because you rear-end someone doesn't always mean you're at fault. Most of the time it does. But if that's happened to you, give our office a call. Let us investigate the case for you.